Area 51. Actually, we call this area as by the name Area 51. But it is not its real name. Its real name is Nevada Test and Training Range. There are many mysteries related to this place which are not solved or revealed till now. Now let us know what actually is Area 51 and where it is located. Area 51 is situated 150 miles far from Las Vegas in America. America says that it is a open training range where new jet planes, aircrafts and weapons are tested. Simply, it says that it is a military testing base. But many people say that the Area 51 is linked with aliens. During the time of World War II, there were many areas like Area 1, Area 2, Area 3 where testing of nuclear bombs would happen. And this Area 51 itself was a testing place at that time. People say that on 2nd July 1947, an unknown UFO crashed in Area 51, and at that time itself they caught the alien which was injured present in the UFO. This is one of the story. In 1996, a highway named Ninjan Highway was changed to Extraterrestrial Highway. Means that highway is considered to be used in case of emergency. People think that American government did like this to hide Area 51. You cannot find Area 51 in any of the maps present in our world, including Google Maps. In 1995, during Vietnam War, CIA, Central Investigation Agency, gave a confirmation that a place exists by the name Area 51 for the first time. And after this, during the Cold War between Soviet Union and America in 1988, Russia took photos of Area 51 from the satellites to know what is there inside it, why it is so special. By those photos, they found that there are 8 runways in Area 51. In 2013, American government once again announced that it is not a secret base of aliens, but it is the safest airbase of America. But even today, many people say that there is something strange in Area 51 which America wants to hide from the whole world. Do you know? Above Area 51, satellites are not allowed to roam and take photos. And around a radius of 10 kilometers from Area 51, taking photos and videos of Area 51 is prohibited. Even passenger aircrafts and helicopters are not allowed to fly through Area 51. Shooting videos through drones is also strictly prohibited. It is said that some thousands of scientists work in Area 51. Do you know, the people who work in Area 51 have no right to speak about the job and work that they do to anyone. Even the scientists working in the different sections of same area should not talk to each other. A scientist named Bob Lazar is one of the people who worked in Area 51. He came in front of media one day and revealed that he was an American space scientist and worked in Area 51 in S4 department. He said that he worked on one of the 9 UFOs in Area 51. He also said that He worked on reversed engineering purported extraterrestrial technology. He said that aliens use element 115 for UFOs as fuel, which is called as Moscovium today. He also said that they make those UFOs with the element Moscovium, which has anti-gravity property which helps them to fly easily in the sky. Here, strange thing is that the element 115 Moscovium was discovered in the year 2003, but Bob Lazar told about it 14 years before. It adds strength to his words. According to Bob Lazar, extraterrestrial beings means aliens are visiting Earth from thousands of years. But no one was believing him. So, in an interview, he revealed one more thing. He told that he read some government documents by which we can prove that aliens are connected with our Earth from 10,000 years and more. He also told that he worked with 9 other aliens in Area 51. He also showed their photos. Aliens can read anyone's brain. He told that the UFOs on which he worked came from 40 light years far from the Earth. America says that it is just a military testing zone. But people ask that why are these many restrictions on this place? Till now, American government didn't answer this question. Then another scientist came named Robert Lazar, who reveals that he worked in Energy Department of Area 51. In Energy Department, they work on the energy of UFOs. They try to harness the energy of the UFOs with large energy harnessing machines. And in 2004, a person named Dan Burish came in front of media and revealed some other dangerous things. He said that he used to take the alien viruses from aliens' body and he used to test them. And according to him, he communicated with the alien with the help of computer language. And the name of that alien was J. Rod. According to a story, person named Wally Kaza and Bob Frost used to work in Area 51 and they suddenly fell ill. And according to theories, their dangerous experiment was going on at that time and they were infected at this time. And at last, unfortunately, they expired. After this incident, many people tried to cover up this incident, hide this incident. But some doctors checked their bodies with the help of high-tech medical technologies. They couldn't explain what happened in their body. The substances which were found in their body was not present anywhere on the earth. That thing is mystery till now. What is that virus by which these people died? According to many anonymous people, in Area 51, many alien technologies are being used which are not present with anyone in this earth. And all this technology is adapted from those alien UFOs only. The full form of UFO is Unidentified Flying Object. No confirmed facts are available about Area 51 till now. The only thing we know is it is a military testing center because it is far away from the common people and exists in a silent place, lonely place. And if anything went wrong mistakenly, no one could get disturbance because of it. Because it's far away from the common people as we discussed. In 2014, a famous Wired magazine reported that they saw a plane flying in front of Area 51 which was far advanced from our time in technology. According to people who saw that spaceship, it had a color adapting technology, means it could change its color according to its surroundings. So you can understand that it can become invisible in the sky. No one could recognize it. If you go to this place, you can see a warning board 16 kilometers before the main base of Area 51. There you can find many security cameras, and I told you already that photo shooting of this area is prohibited. And you won't believe a thing that magnetic sensors are being fitted on 4 sides of the Area 51, which gives a signal to the vehicles passing through their area and stop them. And not only this, it tracks the speed of the vehicle passing through that area and gives that information to security team situated at that place. A ex-guard of that security team named Fred Dunhan revealed that he was ordered to shoot anyone if he see them near this area. I think you all people know about BBC. It is a top company in matter of preparing documentary on any topic. They wanted to prepare documentary on Area 51 by entering into it, and finally they went there. But as you can assume, they were arrested by the security team and were kept standing on their knees for about 3 hours until their ID cards were verified and they were confirmed. And they had to pay a fine of many dollars for this activity. But America just says it is a military testing center. Do you know there are hundreds of military testing centers across the world? Why are people so interested on this single place? Some people also say that even today experiments are going on extraterrestrial bodies and UFOs in Area 51. You can find everything peaceful on above the Area 51, but many people's strong belief is that a unimaginable underground base is there below Area 51. This is all about Area 51. Thank you.